Hello everyone. I wanted to give a demonstration of the seamless docs to ESRI connector from Velosimo. The connector today is a lookup-based connector, and the way that it works is we are able to provide a URL that can be put into GIS so that GIS users can navigate to points on the map, leverage ESRI capabilities to create links to content, and then this link here is going to be a direct link to a seamless docs form that is set up to receive data from GIS to auto-populate the fields of that form. So let's go through that process. So let's click the form. To do this with seamless docs, a name and email address is required to send the form to that location. And we'll submit. The user gets notified that the email has been sent and that they should close this tab and check their email to continue the process. So we will move over to our email. I have received an email from Seamless Docs with a link to the form that I need to complete. I can click Sign Document, and when I do, the Velosimo connector is reaching into ESRI, and it's bringing back all of the data that you see here: legal description, name, mailing address, various information here, and then allows the user to continue filling out the form. So we are able to leverage the ESRI data and pull that information into the Seamless Docs form to auto-populate fields where the information is already known. Okay, so how do we do this? We do this using a mapping tool for each form in Seamless. You can, and I'm using the internal correction form for this example, you can create a mapping to GIS data. So here I'm setting the layer that I would like to talk to for the data. In this case, it's called appeals point data. We generate a URL, and this is the URL that goes into ESRI and can be reused. And then you'll notice we put a placeholder here for the unique ID that is for that GIS layer, and that is defined here in the administration tool. And then the outbound settings. These are the fields. Each one of these is a field on the Seamless Doc form, and I'm allowed to map data from the ESRI database. In this case, I'm pulling the field legal description from ESRI and mapping it to the legal description field on the form. So a very easy, intuitive user interface for the administrator to come in and get another field and then tie it to a specific GIS data set. So I'll continue using appeals, and it brings up the list of fields available for the appeals. I don't have a county here. I was just doing this as an illustration, but this is the tool that creates this. So for each Seamless form, you're able to create a mapping back to ESRI to pull data into those forms.